Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What is your name?
I'm Catherine J. Ananias.
Catherine, how old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
Are you married or single?
Married.
How many children do you have?
3.
Okay, how old are your children?
7 for 1.
1 year old. So your youngest is 1 year old.
Yes.
Who will take care of your children when you work in Singapore?
My mother.
Your mother and your husband. Okay, so what is the occupation of your husband?
Jeepney driver.
Jeepney driver. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
8.
8. How many boys and how many girls?
4.
So 4 sisters and 4 brothers. What is your position in the family?
Second.
Okay. Catherine, can you please tell me your work experience in the Philippines?
From 2007 to 2009, I'm all around housemaid.
Okay. After prior to 2007, you worked before as babysitter, right?
Yes.
That was in 2004 to 2005, right?
Yes.
How old was the kid you look after?
5.
5 years old. Okay. So, can you please tell me your reason why you want to work in Singapore?
Because I help a husband and family.
So, you want to help your husband and your parents?
Yes.
Financially?
Yes.
Okay. So, what message would you like to tell your future employers?
Dear sir and ma'am, if you hire me, I'm willing to finish a 2 years
Contract.
Okay.
So, Catherine, are you also willing to accept 5.5 months salary loan?
Yes.
So, while on loan, is
Yes.
it okay that no day off, no hand phone?
Yes.
But you can always ask the permission of your employer. If you want to call back home, you can always ask their permission to call. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank